You know what? 50% of your video quality depends on your audio. If you can't record clean audio for a video, then it will not look like a professional video. So make sure you are recording clean audio for your videos. Hey guys, this is James and welcome to another video. Today I will be talking about how you can get clean audio for your videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let's begin from the basic one, which is don't use inbuilt camera microphone. So now you're hearing me from the audio of my inbuilt camera microphone. It will not sound great, right? So make sure you are using any kind of external microphone for your video. It will make the difference night and day. So make sure you're using an external microphone. The second one is investing on a microphone. So here is a small diaphragm condenser microphone. You can instantly feel the audio quality is far better, right? Here is a dynamic microphone. So make sure you are investing some money for your microphone. This is a dynamic microphone. It will be great if you're using your audio in a noisy environment, but you have to keep this microphone very close to your mouth. If you keep it away, it will not sound great. So when you are using dynamic microphone, you need to keep the microphone closer. This is a small diaphragm condenser microphone. This kind of microphone is great for recording vocals instrument, and there is another advantage. You can keep this microphone a little bit away from your mouth and it will still pick up the sound great. But when you are using condenser microphone, you have to record the audio on a well-treated environment. So talking about the well-treated environment, generally for my videos, I use a shotgun microphone which is maybe 7 or 8 inch away from me. I use a shotgun microphone because I don't like the microphone appears on my video. I want to keep it away from my video frame. This is the reason I use a shotgun microphone. If you don't have a lot of budget for your audio, still you can get clean and clear audio. You can just invest on a lavalier microphone and you can hook that microphone directly on your camera. It will make your audio far better. The third one is preparing the environment for recording. If you record your audio on a echoey room, on a noisy room, then it will not sound great. You have to invest some money to acoustically treat the room where you are recording, right? I am using some acoustic foam on my room so that it doesn't sound echoey, and I have also closed the windows so that the outside noise doesn't enter on my room. So make sure when you are recording or where you are recording, the recording environment is echo-free and noise-free. If you can't afford a special recording room, then you can record your audio in nighttime so that the environment is far quiet, and also you can record the audio on your bedroom or near to your closet so that it doesn't feel so echoey. Make sure to avoid echo and noise when you are recording, because if you record the audio with echo and noise, you will have hard time to remove those echo and noise when you are editing the audio. The fourth one is setting up the audio level properly. When you are recording, make sure your audio doesn't clip. If the audio is clipping when you are recording, then you cannot manage the audio to have a great signal. So make sure when you are recording, the audio level is hitting maybe -10 to 12 dB. And when you are editing those audio, you will be able to manage to get a great signal from the source audio. So when you are recording, make sure you have set the audio level properly using a separate audio recorder or audio interface to record the audio. If you record the audio directly on your camera, then your camera will bake the audio with the video in a compressed format and you will not have a lot of option when you are editing. But if you can record the audio in WAV format using a recorder, just like me, here I am using a audio recorder. If you can afford a audio recorder, then invest on it and record the audio in a WAV format, and you will have a lot of option when you are editing those audio using Adobe Premiere Pro or Audition or any kind of audio editing software. So if you can afford, invest on a audio recorder. And the last one is editing the audio. If you can manage to get a better signal when you are recording, then you can make it far better editing the audio. For my audios, I usually use Adobe Audition, and there I use denoise, compressor, EQ, de-reverb and de-easer, and lastly limiter to edit my audio. So if you can get a clean signal when you're recording, then you may get far better audio if you can edit the audio a little bit before you publish the video. So that's it. That is the tips that you can follow to make your audio better on your video. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video and learn something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you need this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing, audio editing or any kind of filmmaking tips, then please subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.